I'm off.
Yo, we're live, family. Alright. Now, we did an IRL stream before this. It was kind of useless. Adele popped in for like 5 seconds, said hey, and dipped. Useless. So now we're making a hot vlog coming at you because
turn this shit off now.
I like watching this. I like watch it like 5 times over. Be like, that's me. I'm popular. Alright, so what we're doing right now. He's dying over there. Probably update you on why he's dying because we went to the gym. It was his first arm day. I gave him. Why is Joey calling? You call him.
It's my phone.
We're making a hot vlog.
I can't even.
So it was his first arm day. I put him through some good workouts.
I'll tell all my hoes.
Break it up. Break it. I was singing that song to my mom earlier. She was like, "What the fuck kind of song is that?" She's like, "Wobble wobble, wobble wobble." I'm like, What are you singing? It sounds hot though.
It's deleted.
Oh shit!
On the meme.
Leave a message to Joseph E. Show.
Can't say that. Oh, I tell all my Shreks.
Big it up.
Back it
Break
up.
it down. Rack it up. Rack it up. Rack it up. Rack it up. Rack it up.
I made love to a stripper.
Look at the quality. It's so hot. All right. So as I was saying, I put him through
an
arm day. It was his first arm day, and his arms are killing.
Yo, we still Joey. We're here.
Are you done? Are you done with your shitty shower?
I'm naked.
Joey.
Oh, Joey, I can see you. I'm peeping right now.
Oh shit.
Yeah, my window's open.
Oh, you wish I opened it while you were taking a shower.
I put a fucking drone in there.
Alright, look. Give me like 3 minutes to put some clothes on.
Wait, take
Just come out. Just come out right now.
Oh, I'm creeping right now.
Alright.
Holy yo, 14.
Can you relax? All right. Thank you for the voice message, Joey.
I made love to a stripper.
I think he hung up.
My nose is itching.
Oh, it's all that beta alanine. What are you doing over there? Let him change.
I mean, he's not hanging up. Joey, you sound like shit.
I smell like hot.
Joey, I can smell you from outside.
Yeah, it smells great.
Joey, you gotta go back in. You smell like ass.
Wait, yeah, Joey, go back in. I want to see you. Oh, I didn't get to see all of them. Oh, look at those packs.
I know what's lugs.
You know who did? I lifted lugs.
Yeah, you lifted
You
lugs
take a
big.
shower after?
Yeah, I bathed in silver spit.
Ew.
We're gonna bathe in Dairy Queen juices.
Anything, if you add juices to anything, it instantly makes a sentence more like sauce. Like you put Oreo like milk juices, and I was just like gross. Like
Yeah, that sounds hot actually.
Oreo milk juices.
Oreo.
Leave a message.
Leave a message juices.
It doesn't work like that. See,
What
like
he said.
Silver's taking Joey's taking a hot shower.
So his shower juices.
I'm still in the shower.
Damn, waterproof juices.
I'm gonna get some creatine for it home.
Joey,
Take a whole scoop.
How did you understand?
You need it. You fucking low tier fat.
Yeah.
Wait, are you taking creatine?
I'm taking 4 packs.
4 packs? I think they come in scoops.
They come in scoops.
Scoops. Scoops.
Scooby.
Scoops.
No.
Gorsh.
What?
Yuck.
Yakuza shirt.
Goofy.
Yuckza.
What are we doing, Cup?
We're going to Dairy Queen.
I'm going to Dairy Queen after a workout.
Look, once you're like in such great shape like I am,
Joe, you make it seem like we're trying to lose weight.
you can eat whatever the hell you want. You know, I haven't felt this great.
Look, you're gonna be on a fucking red. You're on like red.
I'm getting a large. A super size if they have
Yo,
one
I'm getting
available.
a supersize too.
Oh, hell yeah.
I want to be like Morgan
See,
Freeman.
Joey, you could have if you put in the work.
Oh, I put in the work.
On your melee controller, you dingus.
I wish.
He called you a dingus.
Dingleberg.
The work.
Oh, God.
Gorsh.
Are you done yet? Oh god, there's someone.
We're going to Micro Center?
Can you like pull
For
up?
what?
Can you pull up more?
Why?
This neighbor behind us are like, it's like.
I'm not even home.
Oh, I seen some guy walking out. I don't know.
If he has a problem, I'll... Hello, sir.
No, I don't think so.
Do you have a problem? I will move up if you need me to.
Are you guys still streaming?
No, that shit got caught. So now we're. You're in the vlog, Joey. Say hi.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna take a piss and come outside.
All right.
Who takes a piss after a shower?
Damn, he hung up on you.
Okay, so I'm thinking about keeping this facial hair.
Why?
Fuck, you still can't see it. Never mind, I'm shaving it.
Shave it. You look better, and shave that damn long ass hair of yours too.
What do you mean shave the hair? I'm keeping the hair long.
No.
Hell yeah, it did. Hell yeah, it did.
Look, you're not getting Southern girl.
I don't want Southern girl. I
want
rather
Southern
have you.
girl.
Oh, you didn't even talk to... Did we even explain the gym situation?
What gym? No,
Okay,
yeah, I said we.
So, this guy is a gym boy, and a gym rat, and he goes every other fucking day.
Not every other day, every fucking day except one.
And I was like, you know what? Sure, I'll go with you today. And so we went today, and I'm fucking dead. I can't even drive.
Yeah, I put him through a hard workout.
Literally, right now, Jesus has the wheel, and we're just going. Like, I'm just got my foot on the gas. So we did arms today, and I'm fucking fucked.
Yeah.
And
4 triceps.
Silver's got a crush on the reception hoe. She's got apparently a southern accent, and I didn't really hear it.
He's got a crush on some girl that was working out.
I got a crush on fucking Bilar.
Or anything.
Bilar
Really.
Isho.
That guy, I heard that guy, like, how old do you think he is?
He's all my age. He
Exactly.
graduated in 14, like
Yeah,
me.
I thought this guy was like 30 years old.
Yeah, he looks like
Peter tells me he's 21.
That's how old I am.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was like, I graduated in 14 too, and I was like, boy, you look like you're fucking
Exactly.
47.
I was like, what the shit?
Got a fucking 401k and a
And
pension.
he looks like he's white. I don't know why his last name is the same as mine.
Bilar Isho.
Now you gave him my last name. It's okay because I only watched this, so it's fine.
Exactly. It could be spelled different, like Johnny's.
No, his is the same. It said on the back of the
No,
thing.
Johnny's. I'm trying to fucking help you, but you ruined it. Oh. I was trying to say yours is spelled different.
Look, no one knows how to spell it.
Isho. Y'all try to get some creatine? So yeah, his whole has a southern accent. I didn't hear it, and she looks just like Soul.
Look, when you're at the gym, like everyone.
And
Like,
she's got like fucking moles, like.
no, there's no damn moles, you dumb
They're, like,
fuck.
right
There's a
here.
nose piercing.
There's that is, and no, I'm about to drive back there just to prove you wrong. There's like something right here and like something right here, something right on the nose area.
I don't know what he's talking about. I mean, I don't.
Yeah, you're probably right because you probably look at her way more than I do.
Yeah, I looked. This guy was probably just like, don't look at my face.
Yeah, I look like that. Look, I'm too ugly for the public.
Just looking at him. But see, I was giving
I walk around like this.
eye contact. Just talking.
Oh, great! Look,
Now Joey walked out.
he looks like such a meme. Did you see when he
Where
came?
did he ball out? What is that? Is that your Dairy Queen?
We're matching.
Yo,
I can't lift it.
shit.
So help me out.
I got you. Yo, Joey.
Creatine.
Your creatine?
My creatine.
I tell all my Joeys.
Oh, it smells like sweaty assholes.
You could have smelled
So
like
we didn't
this
even
smelly
sweat.
asshole. Oh, we sweated.
What do you mean you didn't sweat?
I never sweat.
You don't let a beer sweat at Silver?
I don't sweat.
Oh, you,
No, you do sweat.
what
You
kind of
just
sissy
didn't.
workout was that, Silver?
Joey.
Joey, if you feel my arms right now, I'm fucking.
Yo, Nate Nation.
He's probably in there.
Alright, watch out. We got some dingleberries.
Hey.
Joey. Wait, can I make a right? Fuck yeah, mate. Suck me off.
Wham.
Suck me off.
I'll tell Lama.
Are you gonna be vlogging while we're in the mall?
No.
Well, we're
I
never gonna not
might
vlog.
show the food.
We're never gonna not vlog in the car. I'm sorry, guys. Once I ever get enough confidence, I'll start vlogging outside.
Look, I might. I said once we get the
You're
food.
not as good as Nate Nation. This
No,
man,
no.
Hello, he'll just freaking have Mark throw a guy.
This man vlogs everywhere.
Look, maybe if people actually watch these vlogs.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Well, you put it on stream, so hey, it's good. It's worth it. I'll try my best. Give it to the people.
Silver. Whoa. Okay.
Fuck. I wanted him to keep doing that.
I could just do it.
It's over. What was your meme? What was your, can you repeat your schedule?
More.
It's over. Repeat your schedule, please.
Alright, my schedule. This is my
Monday
schedule.
is chest and back.
No, no, no.
What?
Let me close the window. Monday is not chest and back. You think I'm a pleb to do 2 muscles?
You said
One day?
Oh wait, no,
No,
back
no.
Tuesday.
No. Hold on. Shut up.
Hey.
Ah, what the fuck?
Oh, did you just get
Someone's not sleeping properly.
Oh, 370. Okay, so Monday.
Great.
Monday, we hit chest. Tuesday, we hit back.
I'm just waiting for it.
Wednesday, we hit shoulders.
I can't wait.
Thursday or Fridays, dependent. Either maybe I go on Thursday or I go on Friday. We do legs.
It's the next one.
And on Saturday, oh, Saturday,
Say it.
Saturday,
Say
we call it Armageddon.
I'm fucking gone.
Armageddon.
This man said Armageddon.
It's Arm Day. We call it Armageddon.
Wait, what?
Wednesday is what is that? Shoulders. We call that deltoid destruction.
What the? Hello?
Holy fuck, that was powerful.
Back.
What about your traps?
We do that with shoulders and shit. What about your back? So,
Trapezeuses.
then Sunday we do
glutes.
abs.
I want my ass to be fat as
That's
shit.
the resume, Joe. You want me to repeat it?
I just heard Armageddon.
Oh hell yeah! Mortal Kombat. Deltoid deception. Oh god. I don't know why I keep putting it here because
Stop
it's always
putting
gonna
it-
fall.
put
But
it
I
here.
honestly, my arms are hurting.
Put it here. Do the same stretch because it didn't fall.
No, it's gonna be worse.
It was fine. It was one of our chests. You just, you know,
Look, I get self-conscious.
your chest is fucking. Let me squeeze those titties.
My chest has been getting more defined. Joey, can I feel your chest? Shit, homie. I don't know what to do anymore. Oh shit.
It's so zoomed in. Never mind.
Is that Liam Payne?
It's not in Michigan.
Shit.
Yeah, I just gotta hold it till we make it there.
Just give it to Joey.
Already
Yes,
21 minutes in the vlog. Damn.
21 minutes of pure ass.
Pure ass. I think it'd be pure art.
I tell all my hoes.
Break it up. Break it down.
You
Bag
guys
it
know Hungry Box was in there.
What?
Hungry Box was in there.
Where?
Right there, in that bowl.
Seriously?
Yes. I'm serious.
So why aren't you there?
Not now.
When?
I don't know, like a month or two ago.
Oh, why didn't you tell me, Joey?
Hungry Box was inside there.
I asked why didn't you tell me?
Why don't you don't care?
Look, I care about Hungry Box.
Why?
Because he's the god.
Alright, he is.
I just want to steal his fucking bandana off his controller.
Oh shit, Silver Nose.
That's all I want to do. I got your bandana, huh? I have him chase me around. I'll make great compilation. Melee fails on YouTube. Nobody liked that.
Oh, the SD boy, he's back.
That's not him. Yo!
Oh, ST boy.
His scat back. He just got it installed. It always seems like ass here.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Gorsh.
Lord.
Feel the creatine.
Relax.
Sorry.
It's going straight to your ass.
Yo, you buying switches?
Oh, hell yeah.
You trying to buy a switch in a Vita?
Oh, I don't know about all that.
I'm trying to buy 5 Vitas.
Yeah.
Shit, Joey's trying to get on that fucking weave grind.
What the hell is happening back
Are you
there?
jerking off?
Wait, me?
Yeah, you were making
You're the only
noises.
person back there.
Oh shit, you heard?
Don't put your jizz on backpack Chan.
Oh, it's already there.
No!
Backpack champ,
Is
backpack.
that someone I molested?
I hope not.
Why do you molest everything?
Oh.
Stop!
Okay, what? What do you mean?
Keep your dirty
Backpack.
fingers off of them.
Dirty?
Dirty. You're
I just
dirty.
shoved them up my ass.
Oh, come on, Joey. This is PG rated.
My creatine filled ass.
Damn.
Fucking gross. Fucking hot.
Great.
You guys want to go back to Chili's?
You'll have to make it right. The T-bite is 2 seconds.
T-minus 2.
We got hot donuts, guys. We can get them fresh.
Oh, you know when they have those signs on, that means the donuts are fresh.
You know when they have those
my
signs
cock
on?
Joey, why do you always gotta
Y'all
be
must
so
get my
sexual?
European fashion.
Yo, my pic. Where's my picture?
What the fuck is this guy doing?
You can't film in the mall. It's illegal.
Is it really?
Was that a monster
Nate
truck?
Nation. God.
Silver, what is that?
It's just a shitty lifted Suburban.
What the fuck is that monstrosity?
What is that paint job?
Plasty dipped the shit out of it.
Paint job looks like shit.
That's street
Exactly.
legal?
Yes, Joey, that's street legal. It has wheels, doesn't it?
It's
Street
gross.
legal. I just want to be alive.
Yeah, but those, what are they called? Those F cars aren't legal?
Joey,
What?
because that'll freaking blow out the damn roads. It'll tear the damn concrete.
It's okay.
We're here, guys. I'll pick you guys up in an hour.
Alright,
All
we're
right,
here at the
Mom.
mall. We're gonna get some food. We'll see you guys later. We're out here. Got some Chinese food going. Had a little voice back. Joey, what'd you get? Show them what you
Panda
got.
Express isn't real Chinese.
Yes, I know, but that's all they have here.
Yeah.
Beer, how's it going over there? Show them your food.
Fuck off.
Show them what you got.
Yeah, I gotta take a pee.
Yeah.
I gotta take a pee up.
Hell yeah. Joey, let's see what you got. Unravel
I got
it, fam.
I got a Subway.
Unravel it, fam. Oh, it looks disgusting.
Wow.
I think I chose the best food, even though Panda Express is kind of low tier.
What's wrong with my vegetables?
Alright, about to smash on some food. See you guys when we're at back in the car or Dairy Queen.
H&M.
H&M. Why they? Okay.
Oh.
We're back from eating. We ate. We made it to Dairy Queen.
Silver doesn't like pumpkin pie.
I don't like pumpkin pie. Joey got a pumpkin pie blizzard. It sounds disgusting.
Good.
Sounds like a white girl. Joey, are you a white girl?
Yeah, you know
This
what?
guy is dying.
I got it.
Tell him what you got.
Oh, I fucking got fucking lugs.
Wait, what did you get?
I don't know.
Did you get that thing I pointed at?
No, wait, put this shit in my backpack.
This is what he got.
Did you get that chocolate cake thing I pointed at?
Low testosterone, small. What you get? Explain it to him.
So I have manic depression.
No, I asked
Wait,
what kind of flavor did you
eat
get?
it? Did you eat it yet? Oh, he's about to cry. That was actually good?
He's crying inside.
What am I not crying? I think it's called molten chocolate cake. Molten chocolate.
Alright, and you know, I had to get the classic cotton candy blizzard. Only difference is,
There is none.
it's a large.
I got pumpkin pie. It's really good.
He got a large as well.
I got a medium.
He wishes he got a medium.
Does this look like a large?
This is fuck off. Look at the value you get with a large.
No, these cake pieces are
Holy
fucking
shit.
hot.
So how are you gonna finish that?
Oh, don't even. Fuck. Don't even doubt me, fam.
Oh, I'm gonna. Ow.
This fills in my lungs. This is my post-workout.
I can't even raise my fucking arm.
Pumpkin pie is so good.
I told you it's gonna hurt the first day. Thumbnail.
Just wait till you wake up. Oh, you're going to work tomorrow.
Thumbnail.
I said I wasn't.
What are you doing tomorrow, Joey?
Fucking
You wanna hang out?
do homework.
You don't wanna hang out with me?
You wanna do Zybooks with me?
Hell yeah, that sounds awesome.
Let's do it.
Look, see, they got like these. I don't wanna do that, that's gross.
Do it. People like gross shit on YouTube. That's why they have fucking earwax, ASMR, ear cleaning.
Well, I watch those.
I'm trying to eat.
Your shit looks like earwax.
Great.
I'm sorry.
No, you can't.
You guys are cocks.
Why me? I didn't do anything. So they got like
You made fun of it too.
made fun of what?
How do you not like pumpkin pie?
That's even nastier. You're taking it out of your mouth.
That's what I said. You want it?
Come on.
Feed me.
There you go. That's what I was waiting for. I'm kidding, Joey. Your shit
Oh shit, we messed up the curriculum.
What?
We used to go to Wendy's and get some Frosties.
Yo,
Yeah, but we weren't
they're
in
not
there.
50 cents anymore.
Yeah.
Hello, we paid like
Yeah,
triple over here.
Triple. I think we quadruple. I paid
Yeah,
like,
but it's like
I paid-
$1.89 for a plain ass Frosty. You get value for your bullshit here.
I paid fucking
I should just buy like these rock candies from them.
$3.90.
Put them in a Frosty. That's the only reason this is great is because of the cotton candy rocks.
Oh no, this pumpkin pie is fucking good as shit.
You white girl.
That's pumpkin spice.
It's the same thing.
That's pumpkin cheesecake.
It's not cheesecake, it's pie.
Pie. I like pumpkin pie.
I
Thank
don't.
you!
I love pumpkin pie.
I don't like it, dude.
What do you want me to do?
I like apple pie.
I like autumn.
You like apple pie?
Fall is the best fucking season.
Yeah. It's okay. Anything's better than fucking cherry pie. Blueberry pie too.
Apple pie.
Cherry and blueberry pie taste like cock.
Put the comments down below.
Yeah, apple pie is good.
Are you team apple or team pumpkin? If you're team pumpkin, you deserve this L.
If you're team,
Look, apple pie is pretty good, but pumpkin pie is top tier.
Get out of here.
if you're team fat ass, hit me up.
What do you mean by fat ass? Like,
Like,
literal
space.
fat ass?
No. Space. Like fat space ass.
There was one at the gym.
She was fucking. Oh my god.
Oh,
He was too
great. Now
scared.
Pierre's gonna go to the gym every day.
Hell yeah.
I'm planning to. Got a week pass. I'm going every day.
There you go.
Wait, a week? For like only 1 week?
Wait, so how do you get in? Like, let's say if I'm not
They
there.
gave me a. They said that they gave me an email. The guy said that.
Are you
come
signing
in,
up?
Throw it in the drawer. Kind of. See the email. Bitch.
Joey, you gotta see Southern Girl.
You don't want to see Southern Girl because she looks just like Silver. I mean, not Silver.
You didn't even stare at her
Oh, I was staring. Silver. I look at every hoe's face and I memorize
for
her
like
face.
a split second.
I can memorize every like detail. I have this gift. It's not useless. It's like useless. But
Yeah.
I have a gift.
Nah, man.
PUBG guy.
Yeah, that too.
Are you gonna shoot at a motorcycle to see how far it is?
Southern
told me
girl.
about
Silver, tell the vlog about the Southern girl.
I already did.
Yeah, here's my gift.
Fuck, I just want to hear it.
Expires 9/22.
Nothing. There's just works there.
9/22.
Oh.
Nice.
So we're gonna go every day. So.
We are gonna go every day.
Alright, I guess I'm not going anymore.
Look, you're just gonna bump into Silver and Piotr and
Oh hell yeah!
and they're gonna be like, we're using this bench.
No, we're gonna make him
It's
join.
chest day.
We're gonna make him join. You want to join, fam? Then beer's gonna be lifted up.
No, up here's gonna see an empty bench
What
with
the fuck?
2 water bottles and 2 phones. He's gonna be like,
Oh yeah, make sure you don't run into that guy.
I don't think anyone's here. And it's gonna be Peter Silver coming. We came back from our creatine session. Just day.
You made it go out of focus because you're so damn ugly.
So I appreciate it.
Thanks.
It felt like 4D because you actually touched me and I felt like I was in the gym and it was happening.
See, I just try to give the best experience possible.
But Joey, you never even he didn't even come today because he's scared.
Scared of who?
People gonna scream at you.
I wish fat ass girl screamed at me.
He should have helped her put the plates on while she's doing leg presses.
She didn't ask.
No, it doesn't have that. Just go up. I'll help you with that.
I probably couldn't even be able to lift it off.
Is that what you did, Silver? Is
He
that
does
what
it-
you do?
He does that for
Is
Peter.
that your plan, Silver?
He's
Do
gonna
you do that for people? Do you do that for men too?
He's gonna do it to Southern girl.
Yeah, I do. You gotta help out, man. Oh, Southern girl, I don't care if you want. I'm just doing it.
Oh.
What?
Nice rape.
Yeah, it did kind of sound like that, didn't it?
And then I was like, oh, I'm just gonna do it.
I meant on the leg
It'd be
press.
like went into his corner.
I meant
That was
on the
the
leg
best part.
press.
No, that's over. You're pretty much a rapist now.
Shit!